Welcome. In this video we will see how to use data encryption using hash calculation tool. Hashcalc empowers you to register numerous hashes, checksums, and HMACs for documents, content, and hex strings. It underpins MD2, MD4, AIDs, SHA1, SHA2, that is SHA256, SH4G84, SHA512, and RIPE-MD160, PNAMA, Tiger, CRCJ2, ADLERJ2, and hash utilized as a part of eTONI and EMN or E-devices. Workstations are very defenseless to robbery and habitually contain significant information. Bootplate encryption requires a key so as to begin the working framework and access the capacity media. Plate encryption scrambles all information on a framework, including titles, envelopes, and the working framework. This is most proper when the physical security of the framework isn't guaranteed. The cases incorporate voyaging workstation or work area that are not in a physically secured zone. At the point when appropriately executed, encryption gives an improved level of confirmation to the information, while encoded can't be seen or generally found by unapproved parties in case of robbery, misfortune, or block attempt. With a specific end goal to be a specialist moral programmer and infiltration analyzer, you should comprehend information encryption utilizing scrambling calculations. This video will demonstrate to you proper methodologies to encode information and how to utilize it. It will show you how to utilize scrambling or decoding order, create hashes, and check some records. The Hashcalc is a quick and simple to utilize number cruncher that permits processing message digest, checksum, and HMACs for records and also for content and hex strings. It offers a decision of 13 of the most prominent hash and checksum algonquins for estimation. Let's open up browser and go to google.com. Type Hashcalc download. Now click on Hashcalc download link. Here you can see that Slavasoft Hashcalc page is opened here. Click on download button and download it. Here I have already downloaded on the desktop. Open up Hashcalc folder and run exe file. The main window of Hashcalc tool is opened here. Now select data format as text string, or you can also select file. Type text as Amit Hudar, choose the appropriate hash algorithms and check the checkboxes and click on calculate. Here you can see that encrypted text. Let's open up text editor. Type Amit Hudar, CEO coder and engineer. Save it as amit.txt. You can give any name. Now choose the data format as file, browse file which I created as amit.txt. Click on calculate. Here you can see that in encrypted format text. So that's it in this video on data encryption using Hashcalc tool. Thank you for watching this video.